Right, today guys, just going to swap the wing mirror cover on a Mark III Skoda 18 plate. So I'm going to change it from the meteor grey cover to the gloss black, as in what comes standard with the black pack, optional extra. So the first thing to do is just to wind back the mirror so you can get easy access to it. All you need is just a tool just to winch the glass off, and then a flathead screwdriver just for prising out the two clips holding on the plastic, which you will see on the old mirror that I have from the first side, the old mirror cover. Clip 1, clip 2. Just push it in there towards the outside to the left. Now be very careful, these glasses are quite expensive if you do damage to them. Just winch it out. Get the pop. Make sure not to break the glass because it is extremely expensive. Okay, just leave it to one side. It's connected to the power, the 12 volts for the heating. Okay. Now you have the glass off on your Mark III Skoda Octavia. You can see the clips I was on about, clip 1 and then clip 2 up on top. So just prise them out with a flathead screwdriver, nice and gently. That's one out. There's your cover. And then pop on your new shiny glass one. Here are the two clips going in. And finally then just pop back in your glass. Just see she lines up with the circular piece. Here, clip back into place. And there you have it.